Yo, what's the deal, YouTube? It's your boy Iceberg Slim again. I know it's been a minute, but we finally got some goodies for the Q, and I'm so excited for this. I've been waiting to do some shit ever since I got the car, and I ain't recorded a video since, last summer. So, got my exhaust finally. Turn the camera and show y'all. Man, I'm just so happy I got this exhaust right now, and I cannot wait to install it. I'm about to it's gonna be, it shouldn't be too much. It's pretty much all bolt on and everything, no excess welding and all that. But I'm gonna show y'all what I got right now. Hold up. So we got the Rev 9 wide pipe and mid pipe, and PLM resonated. This is the resonated one, axle back exhaust. So we're gonna see how this sounds. I've seen videos of how this sounds, and I just wanted to see for myself how it would be for my car, for the VR30. It's not the best sounding car, but with a decent and proper exhaust setup, it'll be good. It'll sound like, better than what it already does. Right now, I just got a simple axle back on, like the non-resonating one. So, show you how it sounds right now. Couple revs. So we're gonna do a before and after of it. And then yeah, that's what we're gonna do. So I already called the guy up there and get the parts all laid out, get a price and all that. We're gonna get this junk going. So I'll catch you when I'm there. Let me see how it sounds. So yeah, that's what it sounds like right now with just the non-resonated axle back. It was literally just temporary. I already knew I was gonna give me a different exhaust setup for the car anyway. I just wanted a little sound to it because it was too damn quiet. Sound and all that. Then everybody say get down pipes, get an actual exhaust, and then all that other shit. With this car at all, I just really wanted to go for looks and shit. So yeah. About to take it up to the shop, get this exhaust installed, and then go from there. And by the way, we got coils. I'm buying coilovers next week. Some shit cooking up for this car. So y'all stay tuned for that video too. Yeah, let's start the build process on the Q. Like, look at these fat ass fucking tires. Like, these have been sitting here for almost a year. Bro. New spoiler going on soon when the weather breaks. The weather been acting stupid as hell lately. So, yep. I'm about to cook up with y'all, boy. Alright, so we got the exhaust loaded up. We got the other part in the trunk. Damn, I'm just never starting to realize how big that fucking box is. Oh well. Anyway, alright. Let's go see how this bitch sound. Alright. Let's show y'all how this shit sound right now. Right now, okay, this motherfucker just doesn't want to go, okay? For what it is right now, it's not bad. It's not terrible. But that's why we had to get a little proper exhaust, you feel me? So it could sound more pure, sound a little more better. Because like I've said before, the VR30 motors, or engines, just don't really sound all that good like the 3.7. Even with that, like, you don't put a proper exhaust setup on the VQs and shit, it's gonna sound like shit, you feel me? People just be straight piping this shit, don't put no resonators or a decent exhaust on it, then it sounds like ass, you feel me? I hope this thing helps me. So, about to pull up to this shop real quick. Hopefully they can get me in, knock me out in a couple hours, and then we get the before and after. So, I'll catch y'all when we pull up. Yo, what's the deal, y'all? So, it's the next week. I had to wait because when I went in last Friday, I came at a bad time. Even though they said pull up around Thursday or Friday, I pulled up Friday. So, but they said come in next Tuesday or Wednesday. So it's Tuesday now. So we about to go up there, see if they can hook me up. I already called them last night. So they said pull up tomorrow when they wake up. When they open up. And then I'm about to load up the car again. About to put the exhaust back in there. And then Yeah, we're gonna see if they can hook us up today. Hopefully they can. So I'll catch you when we get to the shop.
I believe that's how that goes. Resonators. That's what these are. Straight pipe for here. And no muffler. Hell yeah. Somebody it might be factory, but I doubt that.
I got the resonated axle back
Yep.
versus this because that'll what make it sound a little better from what it is. Because just doing the whole straight pipe is gonna sound raspy as hell.
Oh yeah. The only thing about exhaust is you gotta just try a bunch of them before you figure out which one you like.
Yeah.
That's why I wouldn't pay the $1,500 for an exhaust.
Nah.
Not unless I got a buddy who's already bought it with the exact same cars and he's standing next to me and I can hear it.
Yeah.
You know. Otherwise, we're like
Exact setup. That's why I was like, no, let me try it, see how it is.
oh yeah, grab some penetrating oil, take a couple squats.
So yeah, they about to hook me up real good. They already got the car in the air right now. Yeah, I can't wait for this shit, bro.
Or not.
Open dumps. Going dump. Yes, sir.
Seemed like it.
Damn, bro. This is actually looking kind of sweet though. This ain't that way. Smack the diffuser though. I gotta refix that. Gotta fix that. You can't even notice it from afar like that till you get up close. Then you be like, oh, it's off right there. But we'll fix that. We're gonna fix that. This shit is clean, bro. Wait, that's clean. Oh yeah, that's clean as hell. Yeah, most definitely gotta upgrade to bigger tips for sure. Definitely. Alright, that's sweet. Yo. Oh yeah. Ooh, what we thinking? What we thinking? Wow.
That's better, y'all. This one.
You want to take the old stuff with you?
Honestly, yes. I still want to take it. That's gonna be the hard part is getting it in the car.
Yes, because this piece that's as short as this one gets.
Yeah, I might. Yeah.
No, I wouldn't.
Yeah, the rest of this will
That shit. Yeah, I know that shit will fit, but that's not.
Small stuff, everything except for the tall pipe, you should be able to fit.
this little wide pipe will fit in this box.
Yeah, because that's the same size as the pipe that we put on.
Oh yeah. Everything is nice though. Oh my god, that is hard. Yeah, the diffuser looks more aligned too. Yeah, that looks much better. Yeah, because it has a BMW motor in it.
BMW repair costs on your Super.
Oh my god, that thing is nice.
Don't get me wrong, I like BMW. I just don't like the repair costs.
Oh yeah, look at that. That shit is so nice, bro.
$120 oil changes.
That's crazy.
I want to, but I like the car, so I have to. I just rather not have the car. That's the part.
Shit look hard as hell from the back. Look at that. That's not bad. That's not bad. That shit sounds nice.
Alright, so here's the well, grab that door a little bit more.
Alright. Oh my god, that shit sounded so good. Yo. I don't know if it was the fucking pipe in the back or... It might have been the pipe, honestly.
I think it's in the trunk.
Wait. It sounds so much better.
I like it.
I'm gonna take a few.
You wanna know what it is?
It's vibrating on that guard.
Especially when you're downshifting.
Yeah, but it don't vibrate when I'm driving. Yeah, I think it's that middle plate.
Yeah, you might want.
I want to know what it sounds like from the outside.
Let me do a roller for you.
All right, change the plans. I gotta go pick up the other part of my exhaust, my stock exhaust from the shop because it wouldn't fit in my car, and so we can go back because I hear a rattling when I downshift, and I think it's the little guard that you put over like the mid pipe and white pipe. But I'm about to go see if I can debunk this real quick. So I'm gonna show y'all. Exhaust secure. We got that bitch back. So now something is vibrating, like I said before. So I mean, it's nothing major. I mean, something's probably just touching it, and they probably just got to tweak it a little bit. They said give them 45 minutes because they got all the base full now ever since we left the shop. So see if they can tweak it out a little bit before I go to work, and then yeah, bro, tweak it a little because I seen the exhaust is a little slanted a little bit, but other than that, it sounds good. So I'm satisfied with it. I love it. I love it a lot. I'm ready to get around this fucking truck. So yeah, he had to go test it out because it was rounding a little bit, so they adjusted it. Man, that shit sounds so good, bro.